Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about links in HTML, and this is a further extension of the previous video wherein we talked about links, and in this one we are going to talk about the images and several other aspects of the links. So let's get started. So if you want to link to a particular link to your HTML file, that is the images, then let's do that. So I'm writing the program, and for that I'm using a link, and then you can in the previous video we have talked about absolute links and relative links. So this one we are using one link which is linking to the default file of this page. This contains all the other aspects, because while linking to the image you will need that. Yeah. And so let's do it for the images. So first of all, I am linking to, yeah, let's link to the HTML images, not this default one. HTML, this is part of the emulator, and but the name I'm giving is something different. Spartia images, and then we are closing the link. Yeah. And then one more thing that we want to do is, yeah, that's it. So I still want to do some changes. Let's again make it to default. Let's see what happens. And then this one, we want to change it. We'll write here the image code img and the source of the image. It contains some files, so we're using them. And then keep adding, that is the alternative alt, and then we are typing HTML. Let's see if we are able to achieve it. And then the style is equal to any sort of width or height. So we are defining the width as, let's keep it to 10 pixels. And then let's keep the height as, again, as 10 pixels. Then close this tag, close the image, and then close the link file as well. So let's see if the image works as a link. Yeah, so we have the GIF file. It's got, and it's linking to the default. Let's click on it, so it takes you to the default. Now let's change something. Yeah, so that's how you link to a particular use the link as a file, because this is the emulator and that's where it's taking us. But if you want, we can change the pixel size to, let's keep it 50s. It'll appear bigger. See, so now the image size is bigger with the pixels. We can control that, and where it links to, that also we can control by just keeping it in the link tag. Now you want to link to an email file. Let's do that. Let's program for that as well. We have to write a href, and then we are using a default one, mail to, and then you can just write bhatia @electronics.com, and then close this and say bhatia email, and then close the link. Let's just run it. So you can see this link is created and it says mail to Bharti Electronics. If I click on it, it will try to open Outlook. So we are not doing it right now. Uh, the next one we're using is, we want to create a button, and with that button uh, we'll be able to link. So for that we'll use some JavaScript code. So we are just writing button, which contains the JavaScript, and then on click of this button we want the document location, which is equal to that the file that contains the link. Then the HTML, and then we are saying this Bhatia button. Close the button. Let's see what it gives. So you can see that there's a button created and it says the Bhatia button. If I click on it, it takes me to W3 school, which is for this emulator. Okay. And now, so if you want to give some extra information, you can also link to a title. Let's create that program as well. So for this one, HTTPS, and then www. For this one, I'm using Bhatia Electronics. Then close it. Then write a title equals to Bhatia, and then write text, and then close the link. Let's see how it happens. So you can see, as soon as you hover the mouse over it, it will give you something. Right now it's giving Bhatia. It's too small, but no worries about that. So for this video, um, that's what we have covered, and I'll be coming up with more videos, wherein in the next video we'll try to talk about HTML images. All right, thank you for this one. Have